Hello class. I hope you all must have written the difficult words of the first chapter of your English books. Okay, so I'll be reading out the difficult words to you, and then we'll be discussing their meaning. Okay, first one is decent, confectionery, pocket money, collect, piggy bank, wedding, invitation, excited, purchased, hid, sorrow, suddenly, wondered. Then we have immediately and costliest. Okay, so their meaning are as here. Decent matlab शिष्ट. Okay, as you all can see it. कन्फेक्शनरी मतलब किराना, वह दुकान जहाँ से हम अपना रोज़ का ज़रूरत का खाने पीने का सामान लेते हैं. पॉकेट मनी जेब खर्च, जो हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें देते हैं. जैसे अगर हम स्कूल आते हैं तब हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें दे देते हैं 5 रुपीज़ 10 रुपीज़, तो उसे हम कहते हैं पॉकेट मनी. कलेक्ट इकट्ठा करना. पिगी बैंक गुल्लक. ओके, सो मीनिंग ऑफ पिगी बैंक इज गुल्लक. वेडिंग शादी. इनविटेशन मतलब न्योता. वेडिंग इनविटेशन मतलब शादी का न्योता. एक्साइटेड बहुत खुश होना, जैसे कि हार्दिक बहुत खुश था जब उसके फादर ने उसको नई शर्ट दिलवाई. परचेज मतलब खरीदना. हिड मतलब छुपाना. सौरो मतलब दुख. सडनली इज अचानक से, एकदम से. वंडर्ड सोचना या फिर विचार करना भी हम कह सकते हैं. देन वी हैव इमीडिएटली. इमीडिएटली में तुरंत, जल्दी से. कॉस्टलीस्ट मीनिंग महंगी. ओके, सो you will have to write all these word meaning in your notebook, and the today's homework and today's work that you will be doing is to learn them also. Okay, learn and write all the word meanings, and also you have to mark all the tick the correct option in your book, and also you will be marking the fill in the blanks using given words. These words are given here and you have to mark them in your book. So keep yourself ready with these two things. And third is to write true for true, T for true, and F for false statement. So here are 5 statements. You have to check whether they are true or not. Okay, so once you will be doing the explanation part and the reading part of the chapter number 1, you will be able to find out the tick the correct, fill in the blanks and true false on your own. Plus don't forget to write the word meanings in your notebook. Once again I am showing you the word meanings so that it is clear for all of you. Okay, okay, thank you class.